Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. I want to see how quickly I can make 3 cups of water boil. I've got a stopwatch here. And I'm not going to use a knife. And I am not going to use a saw, although I did use a saw for that slot that's cut on a 45-degree angle. Let's get moving. Bayat keychain ferro rod, 3 1/8 inches long by 5/16 in diameter. And I have already converted that from decimal over to the standard. I want to put this somewhere where you can see it, so I'll stick it right here for the time being. All right, I'm gonna get you closer. Let's see what we're up to. 13 minutes. Let's get you closer. All right, that took about 3 minutes to get it set where I wanted it. And we're 15 minutes into it. Sixteen and a half minutes. I guess that's not great, but it's great for me and I'm happy with it. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. I want to go ahead and use our little handle to take that boiling water out of the fire. And since the challenge is over, I will go ahead and use my knife to touch this up.